We're just now at Sanand, just 2 hours away from Ahmedabad, and this is where the inauguration of the Tata Nano plant just took some time back. Now, this place completely has seen a sea change here. Winds have picked up. The cyclonic activity, Cyclone Fet, is heading towards Gujarat. As you can see, the clouds are completely overcast. Just 2 hours back, it was extremely sunny and hot here. Right there, you can see the dust storm has picked up. Very difficult to even talk on camera here because the sand is entering our eyes also. Very windy situation now. Winds have picked up in the last just 45 minutes or so, and this temporary shed here right behind me, this is where the press conference that Tata was supposed to take place, but this has now been shifted because this place could have also come down, because the winds have really picked up in the last just 45 minutes or so. But we are told Cyclone Fet is heading towards Gujarat. The wind speed could increase as high as 125 kilometers per hour, and in the next 45 minutes, in the next hour or so, we believe the rain also could come down. In fact, it's already drizzling now, and it's impossible to see anything now. As you can see, it's completely dark and extremely gloomy. Very difficult to see anything. It's a sandstorm here now. We will be going here, but the authorities are warning all those locals. The fire engine also by right from there, going because trying to just ensure that nothing wrong really happens here. Fire engine right there. But all coastal areas have been warned. All fishermen have been told not to really venture out in the sea, and also will be now going inside because now it's becoming extremely difficult to even look at the camera. At Sanad, for NDTV.